On today's episode of Watch JR Go, Zach and I had to buy a Subaru. Again.
In a Subaru.
In a Subaru.
What?
What is going on, guys? I'm Watch JR Go, and today I'm here with Zach in his Subaru that we went and picked up, what, like 8 months ago?
April.
I thought it had already been a year. I was way off. But when we went and drove that SVX recently, you guys all said, why don't you just buy Tyler Hoover's SVX? And I was like, Tyler doesn't have an SVX. He sold that like years ago. Turns out I was wrong. It's just sitting at the car barn. So we're headed over there now to hang out with Hoovie's garage and pick up his Subaru SVX.
Can I have those wheels?
Also, we just pulled up and a kid was trying to break into the car barn. He was legit like over there checking each door handle. We saw him check this and then walk around to the side. So Zach was like, what are you looking for? Because I thought he might have like known that Tyler was on his way over here and we were all gonna hang out. And he was like, I was just trying to get in. And Zach goes, maybe don't.
Dang,
That's
kids.
super funny.
Don't do that, kids.
Well, Tyler's not here yet, but we're gonna do this no matter what. So I need to get the air out of here. Zach's got the new school Subaru, and I'm gonna have the old school Subaru. Fun fact, I've never owned a Subaru before, right?
Fun fact, Subaru comes with its own tie-down.
Automatic tie-down system. I don't think I've ever owned a single Subaru. This should be a pretty fun experience. This tire is flat, because this thing's been sitting for a long time. So, throw some air at it. Lift this car back up off the ground. Found a screw. This is clearly a race car. I mean, it has drilled rotors that are just ready to crack out.
Oh, dang.
I do like these. Tyler has an air compressor here if we need to.
Oh, good.
I mean, it wouldn't be Hoovie's garage without tools.
That's true. Well, that's not bad.
I think we're going straight to the car wash. Oh, this has slotted and drilled rotors in the back. Oh, this one's actually good. It looks like we're at 38 PSI. Hunting a wild raptor in the Jurassic Park.
Actually, I just forgot the key.
I don't know.
I just realized I forgot to bring the key to the Subaru.
I thought you were just gonna say the line when you get out of the Jeep.
Is that John Ross?
Never been Jurassic Parking around before. Completely dead?
Nothing. It's probably glued to the ground.
That's impressive.
I've been very neglectful of this hoopty, so I guess I'm going to sell it to somebody who has too many cars and will continue to neglect it, most likely.
Correct. We
Yes.
more hoopties, right?
Right. Jiggle it. There you go.
Give it a shake. Well, Tyler is here with the Jurassic Park Jeep, and we are going to try to get this bad boy started up. I assume it'll start right up. Oh, wow. You got some flora or some fauna growing right there.
Ah. I found my little growing operation here.
Shoot.
Hidden.
It's a very small operation.
Made noise.
Should be good now.
Okay.
Yeah, try it
You
out.
want me to?
Yeah,
It's the best sounding straight pipe cheap car ever.
it's gonna do it. Woo! What a champ! Wow. This has like a Mishimoto radiator or something?
Hey, we're twins.
A Mushimati?
I can't tell what brand this radiator actually is, but it's a nice aluminum one.
Oh.
Pretty cool. Dead.
Both back windows work.
That's all that matters. Those are really cool.
Right. And the air conditioning worked last time I used it about 2 years ago.
What is this? How did we just find a car that almost everything works on? Hey, what year is this? I didn't ask any questions about this.
94? 94?
The other one that I tried to, that I was looking at buying, right? Nothing worked.
Oh.
No electronics. The only thing, I think the windows worked, Zach, maybe?
On the other one?
Yeah.
No, only the passenger side.
Only the passenger side window and everything else was
only
dead?
the back windows that were.
And what
It
did he
was-
want for it?
He was asking 1,000, and then he immediately said 800 after we got back and overheated. And then right after that, I was like, look, I'd give you about 300, and he was like, give me 5. I was like, no,
Oh.
that's just no.
Well, This one doesn't overheat. The transmission's not exploded, and
Yeah.
the air works.
Yeah, this is what
And
a
it's
luxury car,
$1,000.
man. Yeah.
You know, I only paid $500 for it, but typical Hoovie's garage, I probably spent $3 grand on it, just for it to sit in the field. Careful.
Hey, did it! All right.
I just gave it a little tap.
I gotcha. I need to give it a little lube.
Yeah.
Always solves the problem. I'm actually amazed by how much stuff works in this car.
Yes, it's totally drivable right now, unlike nearly all of your vehicles.
I would say that's pretty much a fact.
Somebody.
Oh, the radio door. Oh, the radio's gone. Completely gone.
At least you can cover it up with this fine wood.
Fine, real wood cover.
The finest plastic trees grown in the plastic rainforest of
Japan.
Yes.
Or wherever Fuji Heavy Industries is. But
Correct.
what exhaust is this?
Nothing.
Oh,
it's just
okay.
straight.
I thought it might be something fancy.
No.
It's got some Gretty on it.
No. It sounds amazing though.
It does.
Yes. More. Yes.
Well, Tyler. There's
Oh my God!
right?
The wizard will take this in 5 minutes.
Well, we're gonna go drive it right now and clean it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I need a ride home.
Well, we can definitely arrange a ride home. That
If you
sounds
wouldn't
pretty
mind.
fun.
Or I can Uber. I have some dingle.
I got you.
That's yours? Wrong window.
It was not a very good donut.
Showing off.
Oh no, I got it stuck.
Uh-oh.
Oh no!
That was a lot better though.
All right,
Good
all right.
job, bro.
I just looked underneath and it's a pipe that runs straight back and up, and then there's literally another pipe that just runs across the entire rear end.
It's the most garbage straight pipe ever, but it sounds
It's like a 2-year-old did it, but it's amazing.
sounds unbelievable.
I now have an SVX. Thanks, Tyler. I should like shake your hand or something. Cool. Back at the house where we should be working on the Veloster, but we're gonna take the SVX over to O'Reilly's because it has an O'Reilly's battery in it, and all we have to do is warranty out that battery because it is a toast. Tyler put a battery in it February of 18, so it's well under warranty. Tires look like they're holding up, so let's go get a battery, wash this thing up, and see where it ends up. I'm so excited about this car. My first Subaru is the most unique and coolest one.
That is true.
Is it?
Just not turbo.
It's definitely not turboed. Everything works in this car. It's actually mind-blowing.
The AC feels good.
Right? For $1,000, it runs, drives, has AC and heat. Like, checks all the boxes right there. All right, make a little pull. It's so funny when it downshifts. And then the cops like show up immediately.
Who's got that dang Honda?
It's so loud. Sweet. Hello, my friend.
What's up, John Ross?
I need you to put a battery in a car.
No.
And I know it's your favorite thing to do. Are you eating dinner right now? Oh, okay. Okay. You're gonna love this car. How excited are you about this? It has an O'Reilly's battery in it, and it's under warranty, and the battery is toast.
There you go. I was looking a little more rough. I've never even seen one of these.
An SVX? I'm actually really excited about this car. I've always wanted one, and now I have one.
Saw you bought the R8 engine.
I did buy the R8 engine. Super quick test, and X is in with the brand new battery, champion style. Look at this belt. It's AC belt is super old and looking pretty rough. Actually, all the belts on here are looking pretty rough. I bet they were changed when the timing service was done like 60,000 miles ago. Zach and I are ready to go eat and wash this car.
Talk about.
We actually did get a lot of this dirt out really quick. There we go. Wipers? Oh wow, the wipers work. I think it says a little more V12 than V8, doesn't it? Yeah. Like, it's got pops. Yep. Wow. On. It works! I 100% did not expect that to work. The sprayer appears to not work.
It runs, but it's probably out of fluid.
Yeah, that's really cool. Find out. Oh! We should have brought towels. Okay, I'm holding it up. It's totally, you can see a little crack in there. Oh, what just happened to my arm? I just got covered. The car needs a hand wash, honestly. Please don't.
Oh, I think it's worse.
It probably is. All I know is my arm is worse. Food vlog going hard over here. We've got the always delicious Taco Bell, some chalupas, Cinnabons, a little bit of injector cleaner and some premium, and this thing is good to go down the road. Oh, it even says premium unleaded only. Quick stop at Walmart for
Clay bar.
okay, some synthetic clay, and maybe some detail spray. We're gonna get this thing. I've got plenty of that. This thing is gonna be clean tonight. Baby has footwell lighting that fades out. Look at that. It's so cool at night. Got the epic temperature gauge.
Oh, I got hotter.
See, it went up 1 degree. Everything's empty, isn't it? Oh yeah, that's empty.
Yeah, there's a tiny bit.
Put a half gallon in there.
Save some for the back.
Oh yeah. Now for the fun part, right? I did it.
It's still so funny to me.
The rear fluid?
Rear reservoir.
I don't need much more.
It's a big reservoir.
Is it? I bet it was completely empty. So, we're gonna completely hand wash this car now, and hopefully it looks wonderful after. First, we're gonna take some CRC engine degreaser here and clean the engine bay out too. So I'm excited about having a nice clean engine bay. Let's just hit everything that has grease on it here. Brand new battery, always great. Lots of grease right down here. Make the engine look nice and new. We'll let that set for a few seconds and hit it with water. Oh, is there some grease right there?
There you go.
Oh, right there. Yeah, oh, and all over the power steering reservoir. You're right, you're right. Car wash complete. We blew through $7 just self-serving it. We clayed the whole car, wash mitted the whole car before we clayed, and you know, soaked it, engine bay, door jams, everything's done. So now we're gonna run back to the house and throw some ceramic coating on all of the painted surfaces. All right, we went ahead and used the Meguiar's hybrid ceramic on here real quick. I've never tried this before, but watch this. It's dry the second it hits. This is mind-blowing. What an awesome beat for $13. I am not upset about that. That's the end of our water. Good times. What'd that take us? A few minutes, 30 minutes? End to end?
A bit.
30 minutes at least.
Oh, for the ceramic?
For the whole wash and ceramic, I think about 30 minutes. But not bad. I mean, we didn't even like try very hard. I just wanted this to look all right in the daylight, and I think we accomplished that, hopefully.
We'll find out tomorrow.
Yeah. All right, let's go turn this roof black. So, that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. Yes. Zach, I think that's better than yours.
Do we need to have competition?
He's gonna like start his car and then you won't be able to hear it at all over this race car.
Look at it, hey.
It's got a timing belt job.
I even have that for you.
I'm impressed. You're like, I even did nothing on this car.
I know.